Hello YouTube fam, welcome back to AM Creative. So today I got my temu order or temu haul, but here it's written YC log for temu. So yeah, I'll be unboxing it. Let's see what we got. And this is a, how much is this worth? 500 rand. Yeah, 500 rand. This is a 500 rand haul from temu. And by the way, it's not free. I'm not sponsored. I bought this by myself. It was not free. So this is more like an honest review. Let's see what they got. Or what we got. Don't know. So put the knife. Then you're gonna just cut it from the side. Yeah. Okay, yeah. I think it's cool. Okay, not bad. These are the things. And I bought a lot of things. I bought something from temu. And ooh, we got a nail lamp. Okay, yeah, my mother bought this. Let's see. Oh, like this. It's more like a silk bag. Okay, I'm gonna keep this for something. And we got a hand nail lamp. This is a UV light, but a smaller version. Gonna test it out. And then we got this. What is this? Let's open and see. Open. That's it. Ooh, my moto, guys. I've been wanting this. It's been weeks. This is a 12 volts moto. Let's go. Okay, let's see what else we got. Which one is this one? Okay, I must not be violent to these things. Never know what's inside the box. But these things, they are kind of sealed. Okay, what's this? Ingredient for what? Oh, wet and dry ups. Oh, okay, yeah. Screen protector for my father's phone. Why is it like this? Oh, it has a cover. Okay, yeah, it has a cover. So you just peel off the back paper, and then it also has something, you put it under that light, and then it also hardens. I don't know. I'm gonna try it out. Got this. Okay, let's see. How do I open this? Even. It. What are these? Oh, my magnets. These are magnets, guys. They are really small and they are powerful. No ways, you gotta be kidding me. This is my first time holding a neodymium magnet. It's so small and powerful. Okay, let me try something. Okay, magnet. Are these 100 pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Next, got this tiny box. What is this tiny box? Oh, motos. Let's go, guys. These are for my drone. Oh, thank you, temu. I even forgot I ordered these. put it aside. And wireless lavalier microphone. Now I think my audio is gonna be better, and I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I'll see. I wanna make a review of this. So yeah. Then we got the Velcro. I don't know if you guys know what is a Velcro, so let me show you. It's this thing. It's this material on your shoes. Some of the shoes. I don't know if it's really called a Velcro or there's another name for it. Not sure. But this is it. And I got 2 rolls with me. We also got... What's this? Taps. There's a project I wanna make, so these are the taps for pipes. Got 2 of them. Yeah. Oh, this is a net. Net. Yeah, this is the net. Actually got those for our garden. Because there are birds that kind of eat on our plants, which is irritating. What's next? My power generator. So this is a taser module. Ha. Yeah. This thing delivers like 4,000 kilovolts, ne? Yeah. And it's very powerful. One-way valves. I don't know if you guys know one-way valves, but this thing, you see, ne? If you blow air from this side, it won't get from to the other side. But if you blow air on this side, it will actually go. So these are for, let me see, scuba tanks. Yeah, scuba tanks. So when you pump it up, pump it from the side, and then the air won't escape. So yeah, there are many other uses for it actually, but from this side, and then can't blow from this other side. And I got how many? 5 of them. Big project coming up. And you know what's funny, ne? I just came back from school now, and I come up to, so my parents show me like the order has been delivered, and I'm excited, and I wanna make a review and see. So yeah, got these. Ooh, this is sealed. It was heat sealed. Cut it off. Let it cry. Let it cut. Let it cut and let it cut. Okay. These are valves. Give it up for valves. Yeah, ne? Okay. Nice. Nice. What is this big one? Okay, we got this. I've been saving it for the last, so let's open it and see. It's in styrofoam. Yeah, I wonder what is this. Oh, more. Ebana, how many did my father buy, Auntie? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screen protectors. Yeah, ne? We never buying a screen protector for that phone. And it's sealed. Oh, it ain't sealed. I'm trying to take it out. Also avoiding breaking it. This is it. I don't know. Okay. Nice. 5 screen protectors. So yeah, we never buying screen protectors for that phone. Yeah, finished my order. So yeah, we got screen protector, 5 screen protectors, got one-way valves, got PVC stoppers, pipe taps, actually taps. Then we've got this taser module. Then we got these two valves. Got a lavalier wireless mic. Got a net. How long is this? 6.56 feet and 32.8 feet. So we got these. Yeah, boom you. Got this 12 volts DC motor. Got these magnets. I wanna count them. It's really 100 magnets. Give me Lolo. Did you see that? Okay, guys, look at this. Can you see how far this is? Let's see. Hey. Yeah. We got these two pieces of Velcro. Got a light lamp, nail lamp actually. It's a UV light for nails. Other pieces of screen protector. Then, yeah, that's all we got. Oh, also got these two models. Yeah. And guys, I ordered this like, what's the day today? Today is the 23rd of January, and I ordered it, I think, on the 16th. It was on the 12th. Yeah, it was on the 12th of January, and it arrived today on the 23rd of January. And so when you order, you gotta pay customs. So the customs were like, how much? 80 rand, 83 rand. Yeah, yeah. And I'm happy with my stuff. I'm very excited with my stuff. Anyway, peace.